Hey guys, so this is the moment that I have been waiting about 3 years for. I knew this county's numbering system followed ours, so of course 681 was inevitable. Of course, you know, my channel name, Project 681, was because I wrote a bus number to 681. Tried to buy it, didn't work out, but this is a brand new 2024 Bluebird Vision. Fitting that it's a Bluebird if you ask me. Gasoline powered, as you can see by the blue roof logo there. It's got all first light signage, which looks good. It's full LED. This is very close how I would spec one. I just do black window frames. I think it's got brown seats in it, which I'm not necessarily a fan of, but I'd probably do like red or blue. But yeah, I was kind of hoping that 681 for, you know, Mercer County would be a Bluebird. But I just thought this was really cool. I finally found 681. So yeah, thanks for watching. Get back to the front here. But enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.